In this video, let me show you how to power on, power off, and restart your MacBook Neo. First of all, to power it on, if the case is closed, if the lid is closed, sorry, and you open the lid, the MacBook should automatically turn on. If it doesn't turn on, you can always keep press on this lock button, or if you have the MacBook Neo with the Touch ID button, keep press on this button until you see the Apple logo appearing on the display, and then release it, and you'll be able to turn it on. To turn off this computer, you need to go on the top left corner, click on the Apple logo, and then go and select Shut Down. Select this option, confirm by clicking Shut Down, and in around 2 to 3 seconds, the screen will go black, okay, and the computer is completely turned off. To restart your MacBook Neo, you have to go in the Apple logo over here, tap on it, and instead of shut down, you're going to select restart. Confirm by pressing restart. And now don't touch anything. The computer will shut down and will power on by itself. Okay, just give it a few seconds. You're going to see the Apple logo simply signifying that it's booting up. Here you go. So this is it. This is how you turn on, turn off, and restart your MacBook Neo. If you found my video useful, leave a comment down below. Check my Amazon links if you want to get certain adapters and other accessories compatible with this MacBook Neo. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.